In this video we show you the Litemover on the stand. Here we show it together with the ARRI Max, but basically the principle stays the same for any kind of fixtures. We have multiple adapters for different kind of fixtures and reflectors. You start with the main unit of the Litemover in between the stand and your fixture. Then you take the two long rods and you mount them in the back side of the main unit. We slide the tilt motor over the two long rods. Then you take the focus motor and you mount it at the spot flute. You connect both cables in the appropriate connectors. Make sure the light fixture is free to move in the yoke. Attach the adapter to the skid plate, pull it as far back as you want to tilt down and secure on the rods. Now connect to your manual control, you're good to go, let's move. Yeah,